Looking for the best camera suction mounts? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camera suction mounts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, GoPro Suction Cup. Made to fit numerous GoPro camera models. Very trustworthy suction cup that will attach to vehicles running at extremely high speeds. Includes a quick release base unit that'll make it easy to move the attached camera to a new location. If you love your GoPro gear, you might as well stick with the company's official suction cup mount, which works well. Doesn't work with as many other models of cameras as we'd like to see. Pricey. At number 2. iSportgo S30 Suction Mount. With 5 different mounting hardware clamps, you can use this unit with many different models of dash cams. Allows for a 360-degree rotation of the attached camera. Should give you a sturdy attachment in all temperatures. Very low price point. Extremely low price for a camera suction mount that ships with 5 different adapters for versatility. Made primarily to work with dashboard cameras, rather than action cameras. At number 1. Panavise, ActionGrip 13130 Double-Knuckle Mount. Has a GoPro mount for GoPros and a 1/4-20 tripod mount. Suction grip is strong enough to withstand gravel roads and high freeway speeds. An industrial quality double-knuckle camera suction mount that works with almost any camera. Like most suction mounts, it doesn't work on most dashboards because of their textured surfaces. You'll need an adapter for that. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.